Alright, y'all, we're here at Zoozbikes. We're in Fort Worth, Texas, baby. Out here with Zach. We got our homie Sunshine over here working. We just unboxed the Zooz 1100 Ash. Wait, Bad Ash. Yeah, we just unboxed the Zooz 1100 Bad Ash right now on the site for sale. Okay, as you can see, fresh out of the box, we are foamed out 1100 Bad Ash. Big motor. Boom. We're gonna see what else is in the box right quick. While Zach is getting all that ready, I'm gonna show y'all what else is in the box. All right, so we have some Zooz decals right here. These go on the side of the battery. It's gonna say Zooz 1100, and that one will be on the front. Urban ultralight. I don't know if we're gonna use this guide today because we're here at the main spot. Say what up, cat? Yep. But definitely open this up and use this if you're putting together your bike by yourself and you're not a professional mechanic. You need to know what to do and use it. And then, my guy, we have the number plate. This number plate is new for the 2023 year. Everything we have, though, everything Zooz sends out is going to be coming with a number plate on it. We have, should have known, we got the Zooz battery charger right here. So 1100 battery charger. Front wheel, disc brakes. Ready to go. We got Maxxis tires. What tires are on these? Are these Maxxis?
Those are the Cyclops CST.
Cyclops.
It's actually the same company who makes Maxxis, so.
I mean, I don't really have to use the whole clip. Just get yo, this colorway on the badass. What? So this is a 2022 model. So it does have that 4-spline drive compared to the new three-piece cranks over there.
Also, we gotta adjust the brakes. So you loosen this one, you loosen the top.
Like, barely.
See, look at this. It is barely rubbing right.
Ooh, you see it? I didn't set up my tripod. Bro, I was trying to show you some of that footage. You just don't have I don't have a memory card reader with me. From this ride just right now, bro. Matter of fact, I'm gonna tag this one up. I'm taking this one off when I bring this bike back. I'm gonna tag this one up. So I can switch over this bike. It'll always have my stickers and my shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Still get away with it being flush. That will be clean, so let's try to risk it.
Morris, tell them how long it took to build this Zooz Badass.
I ain't gonna lie, it's less than an hour. Oh, honestly, less than 50 minutes, 45, 50 minutes, because we started literally like at 410 and it's 450 right now, so about 40 minutes build time, which, damn, that's not bad. 1100 Badass, so faster model, more range, bigger motor in the back. I'm about to put this thing to the test. Same thing I just did with the last one, baby. See what we can do. See how far we can go. See how fast we can go.
Speaking of the last one, this is the last one. Look how she's looking. Still looks just as new as when you first got her. And y'all know how Emores rides.
I ended up being on the highway at one point, bro.
Bro said he just got on the highway with it.
Did not mean to be. I swear, I just came off the frontage road. Right, went around a little exit, put me on the frontage road, put me on the highway. I started doing wall rides on the banks next to the semi trucks and everything. You know, like, hey.
You said next thing you know, he was on the highway, going crazy.
That's how it's doing. To take you on the, hey, feel the thrill, baby. Take you on the ride. Feel the thrill, baby. That's lame. Alright, baby. Bye bye 750 and hello 1100. Yeah, no, I wasn't thinking to put the bike over here at all. About to go out here with the big boy engine, baby. Go out here with the big 1100. Hit these streets. Show y'all what's up. Definitely subscribe to the channel because, yo, we are hitting this content hard on the e-bike.
With them beats, wish I was sounding like a gentleman. Was fighting off them fiends, now it's bands. I'm a better man. Man, I remember them niggas broke in my car. Took all my shit, my camera equipment, drones, all my clothes, shoes, my bike, everything I had.